What's up guys, today's day 1635. I was living the van life lifestyle with a family of 3, soon to be 4, traveling through the US, and we're currently in New York. This is a day in our lives. We're in our new van right now. We're just heading over to Costco right now to pick up some food and kind of spend the rest of the morning walking around Costco. Got my mom here and Rena is sitting in the passenger seat and Spencer's in the back. Alright, let's make the drive. Alright, you can help. There's a lot of people though. Wow! It's a dump truck, isn't it?
Wow.
Mama's gonna get that for you, huh?
Isn't it cool? Is it cool? Yes.
係咪電㗎？呢個唔係電㗎。Wow! The chainsaw. Kids chainsaw here. Oh, this is nice. I like this kit here.
Isn't it cute?
It's got a little wagon here.
可以幫媽媽
You can help Mama with her gardening.
整佢 garden 喎。
Rena's already filling up Grandma's house with a lot of toys because we can. And we're gonna be staying at Grandma's house for a few months. So we're gonna get him a little bit more toys while we're kind of hanging out there building the van and stuff.
Isn't it cool?
Is that a cool dump truck? Yeah. Rena saw this on like Instagram the other day. It's a induction
It's called
walk. And it's like curved to work with the walk here. That's so funny. Induction walk. So we'll pick up some meats here. I'm gonna get some ribeyes, some pork chops, some ground beef, some chicken thighs, and we're gonna get some chuck short ribs. You can kind of slice it, make some different broccoli or something. Get a pack of the Tetons grass-fed beef. It's on sale, 14 bucks. A pack of the meatballs here, $11, 3 pounds. They're massive. I'm gonna pick up some of the salsa here too. These are on sale, $5. This is a good brand. Rena really likes this one. Pizza or the tempura? Pizza. Ooh, they look pretty good. Takoyaki, octopus balls, $15. It looks pretty good. 40 pieces. You can air fry it, deep fry it, oven bake, or microwave. Alright. Apple juice? Alright, let's pick up apple juice.
一個先係100%。
Yeah, this one have a fruit punch and stuff. It's not just apple juice. Let's just get that one. Mama has another one. Let's get that one instead. Heavy. It's very heavy, Spence. Yeah, the pizza's ready. Have some pizza for lunch. Cheers. Cheers. I want to pick up this Wagyu beef patty as well. This is a 15 count. $5 a pound. Not too bad. Mama got you some tempura. Shrimp tempura. Check out my Kerrygold butter.
Mama,
Where's Mama?
no
Pizza. I haven't found the organic dry mango, the Kirkland brand, in a long time. They sell it here at $19. Let me get a pack. Here's our Costco haul. We got some toys for Spencer, a bunch of food items. We're making the way back to my parents' house now. We'll process all the meats that we got from Costco. We got a bunch of steaks here, pork chop, chicken. So we're just gonna put them all in these vacuum bags here. Keep it fresh. We're not gonna be able to eat them all this time around when we're in New York. But unless they're in the freezer, we can take them back out like next time we're back. So it doesn't hurt to buy things in bulk. Some beautiful ribeyes here from Costco. 你擺喺冰櫃擺耐啲啊嘛，呢啲唔會有雪啊嘛。
所以我見你咁少，我費事開機啫嘛。
4塊啦，一次。
一片片。
一片片。Today we're going to cook a beef and broccoli using the chuck short ribs here. We'll marinate this. I really like using the chuck short ribs for the beef and broccoli because like you can see a lot of the marbling on this thing. It's pretty nice. And I'll make sure I'm cutting across the grain so that it can be nice and tender. Yeah, like this. Tenderize the pork chop using baking soda. Spencer is still napping, so Rena is just hanging out with Spencer to wait for him to wake up.
Tied this so he doesn't doze off like that. Because his head always like dozing, like I think it's like cutting off his airway.
Yeah, this car seat doesn't lean anymore back.
I was using my hand to hold his head, but then I was like, oh, maybe I can just
tie something over there, hold his head.
Hold his head.
Did you have a good nap, Spence? You did, didn't you? You want to play with the new dump truck that we got? Mama got you. You want to come down? Whoa! Check this out. Can you turn this? Yeah. Whoa! I like your dump truck, Spence. Let's marinate the beef for the beef and broccoli. I need 1/5 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Oh, this is new. This is the chicken bouillon. 1/2 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Tab of white pepper. Just a little bit. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And then we can mix it up. And then we are going to add 3 tablespoons of water. We're going to wait for the water to be absorbed by the meat. And just waiting for the meat to soak in all the water here. There you go. I think that's all the water we need, right? And then lastly, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil to lock in all the flavor. There you go. All right, that's it for the marinade for the beef. Are you gonna help cook, Spence? Yeah. Let's prepare the pork chops here. We pat dry them. I just took it out of the tenderizing liquid there. Oh, that's making some food, right? I'm gonna coat the pork chop with the salt, pepper, and umami mix right here. Let me put the pork chop aside. And let's make the sauce for the beef and broccoli. We're gonna use some oyster sauce here. This one's got a little bit of scallops. Oyster sauce, yeah, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of this. All right, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Right, I'm gonna use half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. So tap 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half a cup of water, a dash of white pepper, and a little bit of sesame oil. Add some nice flavor to it. Okay, get a little spoon, let's mix it up. Yeah. You're gonna help? Okay, Spencer's gonna help. Spencer's gonna help. Okay. Move you a little bit closer, okay? Can you help me mix it? Mix, 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 mix. Don't make a mess, okay? We keep everything right over here. Let's get cooking. Let's turn it on medium high. Yeah. Beef right here. Let's wait for the pan to get a little hot. Add a little bit of oil to the pan. Right? The broccoli has already been cooked in boiling water. This is already done, so we'll just mix it in at the end. Yeah, we're gonna cook it. We're gonna put the meat in. Yeah? Chow, 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 right? Thank you. There you go. Alright, let's get the beef cooked. Yeah. The beef is almost ready, you see? That's the plate, yeah. Be careful, don't drop it. Leave it right here. Thank you. This one you can leave down here. Thank you. Just watch that I cook, yeah? Yes. The beef is looking pretty good. Let's toss in the broccoli. I help you. I think you're set. Let's get the sauce ready.
Yeah.
Sauce, yeah, that's the sauce. Mix it in. Yeah. Pretty much ready. Let's plate it. On the table, huh? And my mom's got a fish to steam. Oh, looks really nice. Suyu. Codfish. while the pork is being cooked, let's make a sauce for it. I'm gonna cut some garlic. And for the sauce here, I'm gonna use some oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons, chicken bouillon, about 1 teaspoon, about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, and about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Mix it up. And I'm gonna add some water, about maybe half a cup. The sauce is done. I'm gonna wait for the pork chop to be done and then we'll mix it all in. Alright, it's almost done cooking, Sven. Mixing the sauce here.
Fish.
Wow.
睇住辣到佢，睇住辣。
Wow.
哇！
Wait, everybody. Sit there. Yeah, okay, I'll sit here. I cut the.
好埋。
All right, this is our dinner for tonight. We got some pork chops. My mom made some codfish, and we have beef and broccoli. This is our simple dinner. Okay. Yeah, man.
食飯。
Can we say sikfan?
爺爺食飯，
Yeah, sikfan.
食
Sikfan.
飯一齊食飯，係
Okay,
啊。
let's eat. Try my beef and broccoli.
OK，應有嘅，
That's good.
好濃啊。
Send it on. Okay.
OK 啊，good，幾隻啲牛肉好喎，
What ball, man?
啊
Okay.
啱啊。
Beef and broccoli. Mm.
就咁吉嚟食啦。
Pork chop.
嗱，佢唔中意擺喺邊。
Alright guys, we had a really good family dinner tonight, and tomorrow we're going to be heading out into Brooklyn for Arena's OB appointment, and we're probably going to grab some food as well. If you guys want to keep watching our time here in New York, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. Yeah, and if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Can you say thank you for watching? Thank you. Bye-bye.